Today is the 13th of August 2019. It's overcast and in fact drizzling a little bit at the moment. Not really ideal conditions for painting. Yesterday in some respects might have been better, but we weren't ready at that point. Yesterday I cleaned all of these carts. There was heavy residue of cheese-making byproducts on them, and there are four. One, I've completed the first coat of the top, and now I'm going to do a first coat on this one. I don't know when these carts were made, but they are old at this point. They're made of some wood. I'm not sure what type of wood, but I think wood is a good choice for this type of cart, for the use that they get.